In this headstone engraving video, the dustless CNC ran 5 passes over each field and achieves a very consistent 1.5 mm depth in just 18 minutes. The spent abrasive is immediately and efficiently vacuumed up and sent through a double filtration system to keep your abrasive clean and sharp. This means money saved on contaminated abrasive and better cutting power of your recycled abrasive. With the right setting, you get fast, efficient and dustless headstone engraving that will help to reduce labor costs and clean up your workshop.